So very good morning students. Now today we will be discussing about the calculations and numerical questions. So here at a glance all the formulae once more which we have understood last time. Now see the first question. Here calculate TFC and TVC. Now output unit is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and TC is given 80, 102, 122, 140 and 156. Now we have got TC. Whatever TC will be there at zero level of output, it means no production is there but cost is incurred. That cost is known as TFC. So whatever cost is implied at zero level of output will be the TFC for all units. So here you can see TFC for all unit will be 80 because 80 is the unit at zero level of output. So we have got TFC also. Now we have to calculate TVC. The formula of TC is TFC plus TVC. So on transposition we get TC minus TFC equal to TVC. So directly you can do TC is 80, TFC is 80, TVC is 0. TC is 102, TFC is 80, the balance is 22 and likewise you will get it. Now second question, the total cost, it means TC, makes an intercept of rupees 50 on the y-axis. Means the angle which is made, the intercept means the slope. Here the slope is of rupees 50 on y-axis. Calculate TFC and TVC. So you can see that output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4. TC is 65, 90, 120 and 160. Now here in question it is given the intercept of rupees 50. Means the slope starts from rupees 50. So that 50 will be the cost at zero level of output. So at zero level also we have to include here because we have to find the TFC. So at zero level, since it is given rupees 50, it will be TC. So at zero level, whatever is the cost will be TFC. Like same as like the previous question. So if you have got TFC, you have got TC, put the values in the formula TC equal to TFC plus TVC, you will get TVC. Now see example number 4. Find the missing figure from the given table. Now these type of questions are very obvious in the examinations. So you have got the output level 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, TC dash dash 100 dash dash 130, 150. TFC dash 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 60 dash dash. TVC dash 20 dash 51, 56 dash dash. So we have to find the missing frequency. Now here you can see that at fourth unit TFC is 60. You can see TFC at fourth unit of output is 60. It means TFC will be 60 for all level of outputs. So we have got TFC here 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. Now at second unit you have got TVC. You can see that TVC you have got. So TVC plus TFC is TC. So second output of TC will be 80. That is 60 plus 20 which is given. Now third TC is given 100. We have got TFC 60. So 100 minus 60 it will be 40. Then we have got 51 TVC. And 60 is TFC. So 111 because TFC plus TVC is 111. You have got 111. Now next you can see that 56 is given as TVC. So 56 plus 60 and that is how your data can be, schedule can be filled. I hope it is understood. So only the TFC you had to find because at the fourth level of output it is 60. So all the level of outputs it will be 60. Now look at example number 6. It is calculate TFC, TVC. ATC means it is total cost only. Sorry, average cost only. Average of total cost. AFC, average fixed cost. AVC and MC. The question is given up to 0 to 6 unit of output and TC is given 60, 80, 100, 111, 116, 130 and 150. Now you can see the zero level of output TC is 60, so TFC will be 60 all over. Now from TC and TFC you can easily find TVC by putting the formula TC equal to TFC plus TVC. Average total cost for zero level of output, there is no average and marginal cost can exist. So it will be dash. At a zero level of output, average cost of total cost, fixed cost, variable cost or marginal cost does not exist. At first level of output, average total cost, so average cost is TC upon units. First will be dash, second will be 80 upon 1 because first unit TC is 80. Second unit TC is 100, so 100 upon 2, it will be 50. Third unit TC is 111 and output is 3. So 111 divided by 3, it will be average cost. Then fourth unit 116 divided by 4. So you have got average cost like that. Average fixed cost means TFC upon unit of output. So whatever TFC value is given divided by their respective unit of output, you will get AFC. Similarly, AVC. Now marginal cost. Marginal cost can be obtained from total cost. First will be dash, second will be 80 minus 60. For marginal cost you have to see total cost. So 80 minus 60, then 100 minus 80, then 111 minus 100, 116 minus 111, 130 minus 116, 150 minus 130. That is how you can get marginal cost. So here are some unsolved questions where the answers are given. Let us treat them as the practice question. Solve these questions and try to find the answers. In case any difficulty, kindly let me know so that I can clear your doubts, and then further we can proceed to the next chapter, that is revenue. So I hope the questions and the solutions are understood to you. In case not, then kindly let me know so that I can clear your doubts. Thank you very much.